Actually, we are not this body. That is knowledge. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita begins when Arjuna was thinking in terms of his body, that he was declined to fight in terms of body. Krishna, they are my family members, my brothers, my grandfather, my nephews. How can I kill them? Therefore, Krishna, when Arjuna accepted Krishna as his spiritual master, Shishyasriham sadhimam prapannam, Krishna, now we are talking like friends, but that will not make a solution, because friendly talking, useless waste of time. Let us talk seriously. So I accept you as my spiritual master. Shishyasriham sadhimam prapannam. Now you teach me. So this is the process of taking lessons, just like Maharaj Parikshit also trying to take lesson from the learned saintly persons there. At last it was settled that whatever Sukadeva Goswami will say, that will be accepted. That will be accepted. So therefore, after being questioned by Maharaj Parikshit, Sukadeva Goswami is answering, Variyane Sate Prashna. He inquired. Parikshit Maharaj inquired. He was a devotee of Lord Krishna from the very beginning, because Pandav family, they are all Krishna's devotee. So Parikshit Maharaj also was a devotee from his childhood. He was worshipping the deity of Krishna. That was his plaything, just like Mirabai at Krishna Murti. So those who are born devotees, their inclination is to, that is mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita. Suchinang simatangihi yoga brashta sanjayate. Devotees from the childhood, they get chance of worshipping Krishna or to become Krishna conscious. So Parikshit Maharaj was a devotee of Krishna. So he inquired from Sukadeva Goswami whether I shall now fully devote myself in Krishna consciousness. Therefore, the answer was from Sukadeva Goswami, Variyane Sate Prashna. Yes, it is very nice, glorious. You are thinking of Krishna. Variyane Sate Prashna, then? And Lokahitam. My dear king, this Prashna, this question is not only good for you, but it is good for the whole world. Lokahitam. Lokahitam. So the Krishna consciousness movement is like that. It is not a whim that I went to the Western countries because I love Krishna, so I wanted to preach it. No. Lokahitam. As soon as Krishna consciousness movement was started in the Western countries, immediately they took it because it is Lokahitam. It is actually beneficial. All these young boys and girls from America and Europe, why they are seriously taken? I have not bribed them, neither I had many money to pay them, but they are taken because it is Lokahitam. Because it is Lokahitam. And what is the next word? Atmavid Sammata. Atmavid means self-realized souls. Tattvavid or Atmavid. Vadanti tat tattvavidas satyam jad jnanam adhyam brahmeti paramatmeti bhagavaniti sabdate. Atmavid, self-realized person, transcendentalist, they are not interested with these material affairs. There are three kinds of Atmavid or Tattvavid. Some of them are Brahmavid, some of them are Paramatmavid, and some of them are Bhagavanvid. Those who are trying to understand the absolute truth through knowledge, by dint of their own knowledge, that is called Brahmavid. They can approach up to the impersonal Brahma. Those who are yogis, trying to understand the absolute truth by meditation, dhyanavastita dadgatina manasa pasyanti and yogi, they are Paramatmavid. And those who are devotees, they are Bhagavadvid or Bhagavat. They are called Bhagavat. So there are three classes of translate, but everyone accepts this. Atavid sammata. We should accept something which is agreed by the Atmavid, not ordinary person. Now it has become a fashion that you manufacture any way of thinking, of self-realization, that is accepted. No, whether it is accepted by Atmavid, whether it is accepted by the Vedic culture, then it is true. Otherwise you cannot manufacture. Therefore, all over the world there are so many religious principles because they have been manufactured by some man. Actually, religion cannot be manufactured. Religion is, according to Vedic culture, dharmantu sakshat bhagavat pranita. Dharma is to be given by the Supreme Personality of God. Just like law is given by the state, government. You cannot manufacture law. That is not possible. If you manufacture some law, that I manufacture this law, then I will follow this law, my law, that will not help you. You must follow the law given by the government. Similarly, religion means the religion which is given by the Supreme Personality of God. And the Atmavid, those who are actually self-realized, they accept thus that religion, not any manufactured religion. Therefore, from the Bhagavad, we can understand that dharma projita koitavatra, cheating type of religious system is kicked out from Srimad Bhagavad. Projita, swept off. We don't want that. Paramaninmasranang satang bhastava bostu vedamatra. This Bhagavad system is meant for the Paramanirmasarana, Matsarata. Matsarata, it is explained by Siddhartha Swami, Para Utkarsha Asahanam. When a man cannot tolerate his friend or other man is rising more than him, he becomes envious. That is the material world. Even my brother becomes greater than me, I become envious, either in richness or any way, competition. So, but this Bhagavad Dharma is different thing. Paramanirmasarana. A devotee is never envious of another devotee. If one's friend or godbrother or brother increases in devotion, the other devotee, he is not envious. He simply thanks him. Oh, my brother, my sister, or my father, like that. He has advanced in so much devotion, I could not do. So, how I can follow him? This is Vaikuntha conclusion. Just like in the material world, everyone is envious. If I become richer than you, then you become envious. Not, oh, how this man has become richer, how we are in the same business. Right? So this is material. There is no appreciation. But in the Vaikuntha world, there is comparative devotional service. Just like Radharani and the gopis, they are on the same status. But the gopis know that Radharani is the better worshipper than us. Therefore, their only business is how to take Radharani and join with Krishna. This is Vaikuntha understanding. They are not envious that Krishna loves Radharani so much and they are envious. No, not at all. They wanted that Krishna loves Radharani so much, Radharani loves, they simply tried to join. And they are happy. Oh, Krishna and Radharani is now joined together. That is their happy. This is Vaikuntha appreciation. Here in the material world, suppose there are competition. Oh, this girl has got such a nice lover, then let us break it. This is material. But Vaikuntha, there is everything. Everything, varieties. But that variety is concentrated on Krishna. That is called Atma Sammata. Atmavid Sammata. Atmavid and self-realized, those who are actually on the transcendental spiritual platform, that must be approved. So the Krishna consciousness movement is approved. It is not a manufactured thing, whimsical thing. It is approved. Just like Arjuna said to Krishna, that Parabrahma Param Dhama Pavitram Paramam Bhavam Purusham Shasatam Madhyam. Krishna, you are the Parabrahma. Parabrahma. And now the Krishna may say, or anyone can say, oh, Krishna and Arjuna are friends. Therefore, Arjuna has eulogized his friend Parabrahma. No. Krishna, Arjuna said that it is not that simply because I am appreciating you. There, you are appreciated, you are approved by Devala, Oshita, Vyasa, Narada. That is called Atavis Sammata. Atavis, Vyasdev, Narada, Devala, Asit, all the great sages, they accept.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuda habe shuniha sabara shoka duka je guchi bhe nachao 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 prabhu nachao se mate Bhakti Vedanta Nam Ebe Sartha Karo Bhakti Vedanta Nam Ebe Sartha Karo